Where is he? Where is he? Where's Tyler? You okay, buddy? You okay? It's looking at you. It's looking at you. It's looking at you.
Yeah. He doesn't have a diaper.
He doesn't?
See?
Look at that. He doesn't, does he?
Is he silly?
Do you think he needs a diaper? No?
He just wants to be naked.
He does. You want to put a diaper on him?
That would be silly.
It would. Would you like to put one on him?
Yeah.
Go get one and we'll put one on him.
Mine?
Yeah, go get one of your diapers. And we'll put one on him. Okay, let's see here. I wonder if we set it right here. Okay. Let's put
I'm not showing it. I can show it.
Let's see. There, say. This is. Say. All right, I'm gonna go back here. You say. What's your teddy bear's name?
Clock.
Clock. And did you just put on Clock's bottom?
Diaper.
Yeah.